Hello everyone, in this video we will learn how to use Concat in Excel with double quote. So let's start this in my Excel, and here you can see I have a data, customer name and location. So here I'm going to join the customer name with location. So let's start. So simply use the is equal to and Concat. Okay. Then I select here the first text, the customer name, then use the comma and select the second text and bracket closed. And just press the enter, and here you can see the both name is joined together. Okay, the second way you can use the is equal to, use the concat. Okay, after that you just drag with the mouse and select the both text, and after selections both cell A3 to B3, bracket closed, and just press the enter. Here you can see the both name, the location and customer name is joined together. But here is not showing any space between two name. Okay, so for that, just simply double click on it and edit the concat formula. So I remove this second text. Okay, after the comma, use the double quote. Okay, if you want the space, give the space. Again, use the double quote, comma, and select the second text. Bracket closed and enter. That's it. You can see the space between the two names. Same as I drag this formula below the cell. Okay, I just drag. Okay, so here you can see the every customer name and with the location have showing the space. Okay, if you want the dash between the customer name and location, just simply edit it. Okay, first remove this space. I just use the backspace to remove the space between the double quote, and I use here the dash. Okay, you can see here dash. After that, just enter and see the dash between the customer name and location. Same formula I drag below. You can see the changes here, the dash, the name and location. Same as if you want any other sign, suppose here I'm going to add comma. Okay, I just add here the comma and enter. You can see the comma after the customer name. You can see I just drag and you can see the comma, customer name, comma, location name. Okay, okay, you can add any other things also. I just click here in between double quote, remove the comma, then I use here the and sign. Okay, see and sign and enter. See the and sign also showing between the customer name and location. Okay, so hope you understood. If you like this video, please subscribe my channel. Thank you so much.